Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for disability claim in SSS. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, which typically include a certain number of paid contributions and a certified medical condition. Next, prepare all the required forms and supporting medical records. This guide will walk you through each stage, helping you navigate the application process smoothly and efficiently. We aim to simplify this often complex procedure for you. To begin, you'll need the SSS Disability Claim Application Form, which is available at any SSS branch or online. Crucially, get a detailed medical certificate from your attending physician, clearly stating your diagnosis, prognosis, and the estimated period of disability. Additionally, compile all supporting medical records, such as laboratory results, X-ray findings, or hospital discharge summaries. These documents are vital for substantiating your claim. Once all your documents are ready, submit them to the nearest SSS branch. An SSS representative will review your submission for completeness. Be prepared to attend a medical examination by an SSS-appointed physician, as this is a standard part of the evaluation process. After submission, regularly check your claim status through the SSS website or by visiting a branch. Patience is key during this waiting period. After your application and medical evaluation, SSS will thoroughly review your claim and inform you of their decision. If approved, you will receive disability benefits, the amount of which depends on your total credited contributions and the severity of your disability. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. We hope this guide has made the SSS disability claim process clearer for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.